Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE and I'm gonna show you how to check for the software updates on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button or tap on the screen. Now, let's open the settings. To do it, press the crown. To open the app menu, here find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, let's scroll down and select General. Here tap on software update. Now let's wait until it's done checking. And as you can see, our watch is up to date. You can also use the phone app to check. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the watch app on our phone. In the app, scroll down. Tap on General. Select software update. And as you can see, our update is, or rather our software is up to date. In the app, you can also turn on the automatic updates or turn them off by tapping on it right here and then enabling it or disabling it however you like. Then tap back to go back. And that's how you check for the software updates on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.